With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's start with today's question. So the question is identify the figures. So here 4 figures are given as A, B, C and D, and we have to identify what are these structures. So in the options A, B, C, D is given. Okay, we have to identify these plants. So here options like ginkgo, salvinia, sphagnum, fucus is given, and below them their group is given to which they will belong. Okay, so we are starting first. I am showing all the options that are given here. Okay, then moving on to the first A, the plant that is given A. Look, this part of plant A is dwarf shoot. Okay, this part is dwarf shoot, and below that the long part is known as long shoot. Okay, this is dwarf shoot and this is long shoot, and below that these circular structures are known as seeds. So if we see the structures, these structures in a plant, then it will be ginkgo. Okay, dwarf shoot, long shoot and seeds are present in ginkgo, and ginkgo belongs to gymnosperm. Okay, ginkgo is a gymnosperm. Next, moving on to the bee plant. Okay, if we talk about bee plant, simply it is a pteridophyte. Okay, and which pteridophyte? It is salvinia. Okay, so the bee plant is salvinia, and it belongs to pteridophyte. Okay, then moving on to the next plant, that is the C1. Okay, if we see the C plant, okay, this part is known as antheridial branch. Okay, this branch, this part of this plant is known as antheridial branch. The lateral branches are simply present there. Okay, and if we see in the center part, the center part is known as archegonial branch. Okay, the center part is known as archegonial branch. So antheridial branch, some other branches and archegonial branch are the characteristic feature of this plant. Okay, so this plant is sphagnum because sphagnum possesses all these three. Okay, and if we talk about the group to which sphagnum belongs, it is bryophyte. Okay, sphagnum is a bryophyte. Okay, next moving on to the D plant. The plant which is given in D has some air bubble like structures in it. These are known as air bladder. Okay, the circular empty structures are known as air bladder. Okay, this part is known as frond, and this part is known as mid rib. Okay, and the last part which is given here, it is hold fast. So air bladder, frond, midrib, hold fast are all present in the D structure. So these are the characteristic feature of fucus. Okay, this plant is fucus, and fucus is an algae, and especially it is brown algae. Okay, so we have solved all the 4 images. Now moving on to the options. If we see in the options, look, in the option number B, ginkgo belong to gymnosperm, it is correct. B is salvinia from pteridophyte, it is correct. C is sphagnum from bryophyte, it is correct. And D is fucus from algae, it is also correct. So the answer is B.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.